5, 6, 7, 8.
बातें शुरू हुई अब छोड़े उनको आधा नहीं खामोशियों से छू ले मुझको मैं भी छू लूं तुझको देख देख तारे आज सोने का इरादा नहीं
तेरा तौबा तौबा तो
Bas, yeah, no, we're going home after.
Can we hear it for Shahid Kapoor, please? Shahid, I'm so proud of you. You're like family to IFA. And, you know, I've been hearing people saying they're really dying to hear you talk. So, please address your fans.
तू ना पहले सबको कवर करते रहता है. The person who's behind you while we were sitting there is always wondering, should I move, should I stay there? So I just thought we'll walk to you and you can ask us all the questions, Siddharth.
अब आप अपने fans को address करिए. Big performance coming up for IFA.
Good afternoon. How is everybody doing today? Excited for tonight and tomorrow? Firstly, I'm most excited to see all the people here for Utsavam. I think extremely delayed. So I would like to apologize for the fact that it hasn't happened all this time. But it's so nice to have you guys here and to see that, you know, you're going to be performing and we're excited to see you all perform. So a big round of applause, please, guys. I'm most excited for this side of the bench. We've been doing this for long enough, so it's really exciting to see all these guys here this year. And yeah, we're going to have a lot of fun this year performing. So is Vicky, so is Kriti, so is Ananya. You're also performing, and Siddharth is also performing. He is hosting, and you're also hosting. Okay, so we're all doing something. Great to be here, and looking forward to a great night tomorrow and tonight.
IFA. It's a magical year, right?
It is, it is. Hello, everyone. It's my second time with IFA. My first ever stage performance was with IFA. And here I am performing again. And I'm so excited about everything, starting with Utsavam and the green carpet. It's always so impact-driven. And this year, the fact that it's about women empowerment and everything that Shobha is doing, I think it's extra special. So I'm really excited to see my favorite people, everyone here on stage. I got to dance with Shahid last year, but this year I'll be clapping for him, and Rekha ma'am and Shahrukh sir and Kriti and Vicky and Sid and Abhishek. It's going to be amazing. I'm just here as a fan and as an audience, and guys, you're going to have the best time ever. I know I am. So yeah, I'm really excited.
And I'm sure we're going to have the best time ever with Siddhant also being one of the hosts. Siddhant, this is going to be a smasher, I'm sure.
यार मैं सुन रहा था कि किसी का थर्ड टाइम है किसी का फोर्थ टाइम है यार मैं वर्जिन हूँ आइफा वर्जिन हो गया मेरा फर्स्ट टाइम एंड आई रियलाइज्ड कि you know, it's such an honor to be on the same stage with Shahid, with Vicky, with Abhishek, with Kriti, with Ananya, and all of you guys. I've been a huge fan, and it's such an honor that, you know, thanks to IFA that this is happening. This is actually happening. We are all coming together on one stage as an Indian cinema, you know, representing. So I'm very, very excited, and well, I have a very good co-host with me. तो मैं तो बहुत मजे करने वाला हूँ.
वे मैं ता चलिया तेरी ओर तेरा चलिया है जोर तेरी होई मैं यार वे भूले आए संसार वे
कहता कुछ नहीं ना बोली तुम भी ज्यादा नहीं बातें शुरू हुई अब छोड़े उनको आधा नहीं खामोशियों से छू ले मुझको मैं भी छू लूं तुझको देख देख तारे आज सोने का इरादा नहीं बताए राज जो रात आसमान को बता दूं तुझको वो भी आज सारे रात को बैठो पास मेरे हाथों में हाथ दो बताओ तुम भी जो किसी से कभी कहा ना हो शहरों के शोर से और तेरी बातें लोरी सी गाड़ियों की दौड़ से निकल पड़ी थी जिंदगी जो तुम आई ठहर गया टूटा तारा था मैं बिखर गया निकल गया मैं ढूंढने फलक वहीं फर्क नहीं लोगों से चांद तारे तोड़ लें अब किसी का डर नहीं उंगली रख दे जहां तू चले वहीं बना दूं आजा तेरे नाम अंतरिक्ष पे एक सड़क नहीं.
हम विकी को लाए हैं, वो सबका परफॉर्मेंस करेगा. ये तू साथ में कर मेरे. नहीं मैं तेरा वाला स्टेप करता हूँ. चल मुझे वो आता नहीं लेकिन बस तू सिखा दे. क्विक वाला ये 1 2 3 एनीथिंग यू से क्या करना है. somebody has to sing but who's are you all going to sing? I can't hear you guys. Yeah, आप तो मैं क्या कह रहा हूँ आप यहीं बस जाइए.
We have Abhishek Banerjee singing.
No, you are singing here.
You don't leave from here, brother. This is where the party is. Rana, leave your phone, Rana. Come, we do Sarika Fall. Brother, come. Everybody, put your hands together, everybody. Oh, aa jao. Come on, boys, come on. Come on, boys, come on. Leave your coffee, boys, come on. Yes, 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 yes.
हमने
Come
इतना
on,
बुरा
Rana,
गाया
come on,
कि उन्होंने
Rana.
गाना लगा दिया.
This is a Utsavam. Come on,
Put
okay.
the song now.
All the boys.
They put the song now.
The music's playing. Okay, great. Rana, come. Come, Kriti. Why don't you all come? Come. Regina, please join us. Please join us. Please, come. Rashi, come. Don't hide. Come. We'll all do this. Come on. Which one? Brother. Arey, Kumblingi nice brother, Rajao. Come, please come, please come, please come, please come, please come. You also come now, please come, please come. Please come, please. Come, come. Bas, yeah, no, we're going home after this press conference. This was the performance. Yeah, Andre. Yes, Andre, come. Sir, you'll join us. Sir, just join us, sir. Sir, just join us, sir. It's just for the spirit. Please, sir. Everybody, guys, put your hands together. You have all the performers on stage. All right. Okay. Vicky. Vicky, I need you. No, sir. Sir, you come in center, sir. Sir, tonight is Utsavam night, sir. You are center, sir. Where is Rana, sir? Yes, Rana, sir. Please, sir. Everybody, sir. It's very simple step, sir. What? Okay, okay, one more time, one more time. Sir, yes, sir. You also come, sir. Okay. Yeah, just play the sound loud. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Thank you, thank you, thank you, everybody. All right, Rana. Woo. Rana.
Come on, come on,
No,
Rana.
don't stop, Rana. Come on. Thank you, guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you, everybody. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Can everyone please hold up on stage? Hold on. Just hold on, hold on. One second.
Savas, you also want to do it? Be honest.
For the last 3 years, we've come to Yas Island